Weddle, stop!
David needs to stop running. Move on, guys. Move on from one end to the other.
Weddle!
Come over here this side.
Get out of there. Come on.
Defense, kick it hard! Kick it hard! Good job, Kayla! Good job!
Get out of there.
Kick it. Take it, Nikki. Take it. Take it. Come on, guys. Get ready up there. Kick it.
Benjamin!
Spread out. Good job, David. Go, Benjamin.
Get over there!
Go, go, go.
This isn't golf! Start running!
There you go. Benjamin, go up. Go up.
Go, 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 go. Help him get in front. Get in front.
That way! So they can pass! Get on the other side! Get in front so he can pass it to you!
Is that halftime? I don't know. It was a different whistle. Unless he was just trying to get their attention.
Hold on.
Guess not. And I didn't even get pictures of Garrett before he got. I hope he's not out for the game.
Come on, go!
You know? I'm going to talk to him at halftime to find out. Go, 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 Predators!
I gotta figure out how we need to talk to him. Whoever's running the leg. Get this resolved.
Yeah.
Okay, that then we'll get it in writing so we can show these rats.
Well, someplace over there, there's supposed to be some representatives set up under a tent. Where do you know where the tent is set up, or the canopy set up with the
Right there, that it's a permanent structure right on the other side of that baseball fence.
Oh, that gazebo thing?
Oh,
Yeah,
that
the
gazebo type thing?
And they're in like a blue shirt with gold on the shoulders.
Okay, there was one down here earlier, Representative. Yeah.
Weddle!
Yeah. Why don't you
Right here.
walk over there
Right
and
here.
see? Get
Right
this,
here. Just right here.
and let him know that if he had had the next play, if he had had his cap on, he would have got the ball in the eye.
That way.
Oh, is it halftime?
Come in, he's right there.
Why is he limping? His eye got injured.